Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Hannah Montana. So let's get started. To draw cute Hannah, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Then I'm come across, then I'm going to come across and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So see about right here. Just put in one and then maybe in the longer one right there. And same thing here. Just thicken it up a little bit. And then from there, let's go ahead and give her a sweet smile. So let's see about right here in the center. And go up and cap it off. And then let's come back to where her eyes are. So kind of like where her top of her eye and then where this lash is. I'm going to go ahead, draw a curve right next to the eye. So same thing here. And then we're going to bring it down. So I'm going to find my center and say about right here is where I want her chin to be. I'm going to go ahead and bring this curve all the way down. And same thing here. Just helps me see a bit better since I'm drawing pretty big. There, got her chin. And then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more. And we need to give Hannah here some bangs. So, you know what, let's draw her brow first because I know it's kind of covering it, but it's like very crucial we draw her that she has brows, right? So I'll just kind of put that in for now, for right here. Because it looks really weird without brows. And then I'm going to go ahead and just start in the center with some bangs. So let's say about right here, zigzag. They sometimes go up a little bit more, but we're pretty much hitting the brows right on top, and then maybe right here we can curve it out. So you're not going to see the brows really, but you still have to kind of draw it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up for her bangs. So towards the center, let's say about right here. And do the same thing on the other side. And come out. So now that we have that, let's come back to the top right here. Go up a little bit and we're just going to draw the back of her hair. Just kind of angle it right there. And then we're going to bring it down, a little bit curve and out. And we'll finish the rest of her hair later, but about right there. And oh, let's come back here. And we do need to put in a little part of her ear. Right there so that we can put in an earring. I'm just going to make it a simple little circle. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw her body. So let's come back to the center. We're going to give her a little neck and we're going to curve out. So same thing over here. Just curve it out. And we're not going to round it off of her shoulder yet, because right about here, I'm going to go ahead and skip a little bit of space and then come down on both sides, right underneath of it to start her body. So then let's bring this down about right there. And before we, okay, let's go ahead and come in. And then right about here is where we're going to go up towards the center, come down, and do the same thing on the other side for her belt. Then we're going to curve this part in. And then we're doing the opposite on the bottom part. So go down and then go up. To create her belt. And then she has this poofy skirt, so we're going to pop this out. And let's just keep going. Flare it out a little bit. And flare it out. And so now they're about the same height. Let's go ahead and just connect it with a bunch of curves and finish it off. But just remember, it's going at a curve. Okay, so now that we have that, let's keep going down, and center, we're going to go to the left, go to the right, and let's draw her legs. So I'm just going to work on this side, her hips coming down about right here. So we're just going to get thinner as we go down. So let's say about right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and curve it out slightly. This side is going to remain a little bit straighter and connect it with a curve. There, just for a simple pair of shoes, and then just add a curve right here. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish the arms. So let's go back to this side right here. We're going to round it off. And I'm just kind of tucking in her arms. So when we round it off, come in. As I come towards her waist, I'm going to bring it in. And then come out. And I'll bring her hands out to about right here and tuck it in. So on this side, we're going to have her hands on her hips about right here. So let's round this part off. I'm going to thicken it up. So let's say about right here. Down and then angle. Wrist and then come down, and then a little curve coming out for her fingers. And so for the details right here on her outfit, we're going to come right about here, and we're going to draw a curve going all the way across for this off shoulder top. And let's see here. Then for her sleeves, we can kind of go up a little bit right here. And same thing here. It's not all the way down. And then she has a bunch of bracelets. You can add in if you like. You can pop it out. There. And then of course she has this necklace. So let's come here. I'm just going to draw a curve. It's all about accessories here with Hannah Montana, right? So then let's put in some stars. It was just so hard trying to figure out which outfit to put her in. So So hopefully you like the one that I chose. And maybe some details here on the belt. Right there. And on the skirt, I'm not going to do it right now, but I'll do it when I'm coloring. But there's all these kind of like stripes going across. So, and let's finish her hair. So I'm just going to tuck it in. And same thing on the other side. There. And let's see, what are we missing? That is pretty much it. So do we need to give Hannah Montana a heart? You know what, let's make her earrings hearts. There. Okay, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Hannah Montana. I really hope you love how this turned out and I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.